Let's grow together. Yes, so share the stream. Let others join us and we come learn together. Daily streams, there's everyday daily stream. So make sure you have subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss anything. Yesterday we had synthetic pair, which was V25 or V50, yeah, V50 and Bitcoin. That was what we analyzed yesterday. So let's check on them. Let's see. Let's see. Let's wait for the chat to load. Yeah. So that is derivative trading view implementation. Like the stream, share. I don't know why this is refusing. Let's check on trading view. Yes, so this is the trading view. Tomorrow we are coming back full force. Tomorrow full force. So this is trading view. Let's have a look. Yes. So I will analyze also tomorrow's pairs. So just get ready. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel and like the stream. So this is what I analyzed yesterday. A recap of it. Let's first see this. I have to add this. Alright, so it's finally working now. Let me check on the pair that we analyzed yesterday. That was volatility 50, but I didn't save it. That is the problem. I did not save it. Let's see if it will load. Yeah, but it made a move also. We are not complaining. It made a move. This is the move I'm talking of. This is the move we had shot. So we had shot from here, but we were targeting this. But now, so this was our target yesterday. But you see this reversal here, which can give someone heartbreak. You see how it is. But let's first see Bitcoin how it went. So this is the Bitcoin. It was 15 minutes time frame. Let's see 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, so this is the Bitcoin of yesterday. We were targeting this. So we were patiently waiting for the trade to make a push at least to upside and then we dropped, but it didn't reach, meaning this trade was void or it was invalid. Invalid means we did not take the trade, we did not take a loss, we did not take an or W, which is a win. We did not take any of those. So today we are going to look at it again. Today we shall look at it again. Meaning we are going to start afresh from analyzing. Make sure you have subscribed, guys. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel and like the stream. So let's see for our time frame. If we are to view from 4 hours, this is what we are seeing. This is all we are seeing from 4 hours time frame. So we are simply going to draw our trend line. Is we are simply going to draw our trend lines. Guys, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Make sure you have subscribed. So we were seeing a downtrend here. Now we are about to go for buys. With this bias here, we shall not just enter in now. We're seeing all we are seeing is a range here, a range in between that. I said it yesterday that we are seeing ranges and then it makes a move, a range, it makes a move. As we are already seeing here, this was a range and then it dropped. We are seeing a range here also, then it pulled up or pumped. So all that is all we are seeing. That is all we are seeing here. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. So let me first check on the let me first check how the stream is doing here before let me first check on the so market at least tap on this, then you can drop. Yes, because we are seeing a downtrend here all over. All this is a downtrend, but this is 4 hours time frame. You should know that we are in 4 hours time frame, meaning this is not where we shall get our entries from. Our entries will be from the 15 minutes, and our entries are going to be at 15 minutes. Entries 15 minutes time frame. Then fast wait for it to load. The network is disturbing. So that is a different pair. Let's go back to our Bitcoin. We see. So we were analyzing Bitcoin, and this is the move. It's still the same move. It's still the same move right here. So I hit here. So this means we shall make 3 touches, and these 3 touches it's where we shall buy from. This is where we shall buy from. That is a first touch, second touch, and the third touch, which is going to be here obviously, which is going to be there, and this is where we shall buy, we shall sell from. We are clearly seeing a downtrend here from the high time frame, which is 4 hours. So meaning this, we are going to wait for the third touch, then we can sell from there. I don't expect you guys to buy from here. This meaning the market is first going to take you out before it makes a move. The market is going to first take you out before it makes a move. Yes. So now let's go lower to 1 hour. We see what's there at 1 hour time frame. I was seeing touches here, and this is we are seeing a range, and then it makes a move. So we are expecting this range, and then we pull up to this zone. This is a zone, guys. This is a zone. You should be knowing this. This is a zone. So we shall expect here something like this. This is what we shall expect here. A tap to the zone, and then we drop. A tap into the zone, and we drop. That is what we are expecting right now. 15 minutes. This is where we shall get our entries from. I can even remove this. Yes. Let me zoom it out so that you guys see clearly. This is all that is happening here. Yes, you see this, the market has been dropping. Here people bought, range it made a move, range it made a move. So this move here, I expect it to up on this zone. So this is a trend line zone, guys. That is a trend line zone right here. So this is what I'm expecting. A push to this, and then we can be able to drop. Meaning we shall sell from here. We are not selling from here. This is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. Yes, guys. This is Bitcoin. Meaning these are zones also we can be able to sell from here. We are seeing an opportunity here to sell, a selling opportunity. Selling opportunities right there. That is an opportunity for us to sell. So let me just zoom it out so that you guys see it clearly before we enter. So we shall be able to target this one. This is our target. Let me remove all this. It's making the chart dirty. It's making the chart dirty. All these things. So let's just short. We are short. Yes, we are going for short sales. So that is our target right there. Let me reduce it. This is grid. Let me reduce on the. Yes, so this is all we are seeing here. That is where our stop loss is going to be. Let me adjust it there. So this is our pair that we have analyzed right here. We are going for sales on BTC. Sales on BTC. Sales on BTC. Sales on BTC, guys. You can enter from there. Sales on BTC. Let me write something. Let me see our first pair. So this is our first pair that we have analyzed. BTC. Let me add on the resolution or the size for you guys to see. So guys, that is our first pair. Our target right here. So that is where what we are targeting. We are targeting that zone. So this is our first pair. You can take this trade here. You can take the trade, guys. Make sure you take the trade. This is going to be massive. This is going to be massive. Let's check on deriv. Let's check on deriv. Let's check on deriv. Deriv is here. So we have to clear everything right here. We have to clear everything. We have to clear everything. Let me see this pair, this pair, this pair, this pair. Volatility is 75. Yeah, I've seen it. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Sub to the channel and like the stream. Ask questions where you don't understand, I'm going to answer you. Ask questions where you don't understand, I'm going to answer you. So today we are trading synthetics only. Tomorrow we are coming back full force. That is the forex market tomorrow. These are synthetics indices. So let's see this pair here. If we can get a setup from here. If we can get a setup from here, then that is going to be amazing. Right. So this is all we are seeing here. We are seeing this here. It has been trending down, yeah, it has been trending down, then this we are trending up, meaning we are buying from here, but the confirmations are not yet, we don't have the confirmations yet. Let's see. If you are to draw our trend lines, then these are the ones, these are our trend lines. Guys, these are our trend lines here that I'm drawing. So this is the higher time frame, and this is all we are seeing from the higher time frame. We are looking for buys still. Market is trending up. So let's mark out our zones with this. Let's mark out our zones. Let's mark out our zones. So that is our zone right here. That is our zone right there. Then we can be able to mark out also this. So what are we waiting for simply in this? As we have marked out our zones now from the high time frame, which is 1 day, obviously we are looking for the daily buyers now. This is the daily buyers we are looking for. So let's wait for the market to make a move or to pull back to the zone. This is a zone right here. Let's wait for it to pull back and then we can be able to buy. Yes, we shall target that zone. This zone is going to be our target, guys. This is all we are seeing here. Now let's go lower. We see how it is. Guys, analyzing the market is not hard. It's not hard to analyze the market. You can even do it for yourself. It is not hard. So this is a zone as we are seeing rejections happening. This is a rejection right here. Let's say it tapped into the zone, pulled back, tapped, pulled back, tapped. So what are we waiting for? Simply we are waiting for a pullback and then we buy. So we are waiting for that pullback and then we can be able to buy. As we are seeing these pullbacks here happening, obviously it means the market is continuing to the upside. This is all it means. So let's wait for it to pull back and then we buy. So if you are target this on, how many pips are these that we are getting if we are to long? These are the pips we are going to get. Yes, we should not be greedy here. So I'm going to just long it to this. To avoid greed, we have to just target this zone. So that is our zone that we are expecting. That is what we are expecting here. Now let's go lower to 1 hour. We see. Let's go to 1 hour. We see what is happening there. It's the same thing that we are seeing. It's the same thing that we saw right there. Same thing that we saw right there. So simply we are waiting for a pullback of a pullback to the zone and then we can do you can even reach this side here. Meaning if your stop loss is here, it will first hit the stop loss and then we go up. That is all we are seeing here. But now we don't need to enter here early. You have to be patient. Let's be patient, wait for it to happen to make that move. Then let's check on 15 minutes or 30 first. Let's see 30 minutes first. 30 minutes also we are able to see this zone. We are able to see this. So what does this mean? A close below this is a projection that we shall hit the zone first before it makes a move. This is a confirmation that we shall first hit the zone before it makes a move. And this is the move I'm talking of. Here, then we can be able to pump. Pumping means we are going to fly. That is going to be our target. Now let's go lower to 15 minutes. We take our entry from there. Are you seeing what is happening here? You see all that is happening here. So if you are to just buy from here, we shall target this high. Let's say we are targeting this high. So this is our we are going to long. We are going to long. So that is our target right there. Okay, so this is our second trade. This is our second trade. Let me see if I can be able to split the screen. Let me see if I can be able to split the screen. So our second pair that we have analyzed is our second pair is this volatility 50 V50 index. This is our second pair. Our first was BTC, which was Bitcoin. Then you can be able to subscribe to the channel. Let's see if we can. Yes, so all this is what is happening here. We shall stream for 1 hour and some minutes before we go off. So we are simply live trading. We are simply live trading. That is what we are doing here. Our first pair was this. So that was our first pair. Please subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Subscribe to the channel and like the stream. These are our two pairs that we have analyzed. These are our two pairs that we have analyzed here. We have analyzed Bitcoin, which is BTC USD, as you are seeing right there, and this. So these are the pairs we have analyzed. These are the pairs we have analyzed. Let's wait for them to make moves. Let's wait for them to make moves. Let me share the let me share it in the group. Let me share the stream to the group. This is copy link. Then we go to guys join those links on my description. Tap on those links. You connect with me on my Telegram and Discord. So let me just copy it here and then I go and paste it. Let me just copy it. I'm going to share it on Telegram. On Telegram. Let me hope we don't hit stop loss here as we have analyzed very well. Let me hope we don't hit stop loss right there as we have analyzed very well. Then first go to YouTube and copy this link. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are watching for the first time. Like the stream and share. Like the stream and share. Let's see. Let's wait for it. Then we share the. Let's wait for it. Then we share the stream. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream. Then we have BTC also. I have to share this. I have to share this. That was 15 minutes time frame. Let me hope we don't hit stop loss on both of them. BTC, BTC USD, right trading. Let's join the group, join the discussion group. Let's join, let's meet there. On my description, I have all these links. So these links here, you can be able to connect with me. I have Discord, I have Telegram group, and my X. This is my X account, which is Twitter. This is my Twitter account. Connect with me there. Let's talk more about trading. Yes, let's talk more about trading. Then I have this video here. Make sure you watch it. Make sure you watch this video here to get clue of things that you should avoid. All this you watch it. Subscribe to the channel. Yes, subscribe to the channel. So let's wait for it to make a move. Let's wait for that move to happen. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are watching this or if you are going to watch it. Subscribe to the channel. Sub to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel so that you learn one or two things from me, from my trading. Yes, one or two things from my trading. Tomorrow again, if possible, we shall come back live again. Like the stream, subscribe. Like the stream, subscribe. Let's wait for that to make a move. Our second pair, that is volatility. Volatility, we are buying. BTC, we are selling. Yes, so these are the pairs that we have analyzed today. We are selling and buying different pairs. Selling and buying, selling and buying. So this is BTC, it's the one we are selling. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Tomorrow again, same time, change the option. Change option. This is 800. Guys, like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Like the stream, subscribe to the channel. Let's wait for it to play out. Let's just wait for them to play out. Let's patiently wait for the trade to play out. Make sure you subscribe and like the stream. Subscribe and like the stream. Subscribe and like the stream. Guys, subscribe and like the stream. Let's wait for the trade to play out. Let's wait for the trade to play out. Let's wait for the trade to play out. Let me first check on the stream how it is doing. Let me check on the stream how it is doing. Tomorrow, same time, same place. Analyzing, we take trades. See, analyzing and take trades. How is this pair doing? So at least this we are making a move, we are pushing, we are making a move. Right here we are seeing a move happening. So let's patiently wait for it. Don't enter. Here we have entered already. Here we have entered already. This is our target here. This is our target right there. So it will be our first take profit, then this is the second take profit or around here. This is a zone, right? Also, here is a zone, a zone. So these zones are all take profits. Zones are all take profits. So let's check on let me see gold. We do something on gold here. Let's do something. Gold that is in 4 hours. So all we are seeing here is not different from what we have been seeing also. But let's first check on crypto. Let's first see crypto, US oil. So US oil movements are like the ones of gold. They usually make the same moves. It's like GBP and USD. All that the same movement. Let's see stocks or crypto. Yeah, crypto. Here we can be able to draw our trend lines. We just clone it to save time. Clone it to save time. Now, what does this mean? This means we are waiting for a pullback until this zone, and then we can drop. Then we can be able to drop. So this is all we are waiting for, right? And this is Ethereum and USD. But I think there are no traders of this. So let's just chill it. GPJPY. Okay, so but I don't remember when I analyzed this. I don't remember analyzing this. Let's see. How did it go? So we were waiting for a pullback here, which didn't happen. So meaning this market was just voided. We didn't lose it. We didn't because we didn't take enter them. So we didn't lose this. But we have been trending upside here. We have been trending up. I've shown you guys how to draw zones. Now what is remaining is the resistance and support. That is what most people don't know. But I'm going to teach you people tomorrow. I'm going to teach support and resistance tomorrow. Support and resistance tomorrow. For now, let's just recheck your back and then we can let's recheck and then we can call it a night. Then we see tomorrow morning we if we shall trade in the morning. That was Bitcoin. Was Bitcoin. So this is what we are waiting for here. That is what we are waiting for. We are waiting for that on this pair. Let's wait for sales. We are waiting for sales there. Then buys from the other pair. Sales and buys from the other pair. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Subscribe to the channel and like the stream, please. Subscribe to the channel and like the stream. Subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Tomorrow I'm going to teach support and resistance. For those that are confused where to get the support and the resistance. So tomorrow I'm going to make it clear for you guys. Tomorrow we shall see. Clear support and resistance, how you can pinpoint them, how to get them easily and how to draw them. So tomorrow we shall see. Support and resistance tomorrow. That is our stream for tomorrow. I will analyze tomorrow. We take some trades and then I teach also. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Like the stream. Those two. Yes, so our second pair is making a move. You see that? You see that our second pair is making a move right there. Nice one. So this is our target right here. That is our first take profit. Let's wait for it to play out before I leave. Let's wait for it to play out before I leave. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel, like the stream. Sub to the channel and like the stream. Ask questions where you don't understand why we took the trade and all that. So firstly, we analyze from the high time frame, which is 24 hours. That is where I normally begin analyzing from. Then after the 24 hours time frame, we go to 4 hours. We confirm if that of one day, which is 24 hours, is the same trend that we are still seeing. So in 24 hours, we were seeing buys. Yes, we were going to go for sales, but the sales were not yet were getting completed. So we saw a trend that was beginning to buy. This is why we went lower to 4 hours time frame. Then we saw also still an uptrend. This we went lower to 1 hour. We saw the same thing. Now then we came lower to 15 minutes, of which we took this trade. This is why we are taking buys on this. Then on BTC, which is Bitcoin, this is also the same story. So you have to begin from the higher time frame of 24 hours, get the directional bias of the market. After that, you go lower, lower on. So once you go lower, you will get all the confirmations that are needed. You will see the same trend that is happening. And this is why I take these trades here, guys. This is why I take these trades here. Begin from the higher time frame, go lower until you get to your point of entries. So this is why we are buying right there. Thank you for liking the stream. Thank you for liking the stream. Thanks for liking the stream. Yes. Thanks to the person that liked the stream. Thank you for liking the stream. Guys, as I was saying, that reason why we took buys on this, we were at 24 hours time frame. That is where I begin analyzing my market from. So after you getting the directional bias, that is the direction of the market in that particular time frame. Then after getting it, you have to go lower again, of which we went to 4 hours time frame. Then from 4 hours, 1 hour, from 1 hour, 30 minutes, from 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and this is why we took the trade. Tomorrow, same time, I'm going to teach about support and resistance. So if you don't know support and resistance, tomorrow you will learn. I'll teach it tomorrow. I make it easier and simpler, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream. Subscribe to my channel and like the stream. So this was our first pair, which is Bitcoin, BTC. We are going for sales on this. Then this is our target. You can even reduce it to this zone here. You can do this. If you feel like you can do that, but no, we have to target this zone. So that is our target right there, guys. Our second pair is volatility 50. Volatility 50. That is our second pair that we have analyzed today. Ask questions where you don't understand. I'm going to explain it, or I'm going to go back to the start explaining for you. So you are free to ask questions where you don't understand. You are free to ask questions where you don't understand. Thank you for liking the stream. We wait for sales here. Here we are buying. Tomorrow we are going to analyze the same, but tomorrow I'm going to teach support and resistance. Support and resistance tomorrow. So make sure you be there. Guys, subscribe to my channel, like the stream. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream. So we have seen a close above that, meaning if it pushes up again and it closes above this bullish candlestick, then we shall be happy knowing that our trade is moving well. So let's wait for a close above that, then all is good. A close above that, then all is good. But I'm about to leave right now. I'm about to leave. I hope you guys have learned something today. That is how you analyze. Very simple. Simple analysis with powerful trades. That is all we do. Use simple analysis to get powerful signals or trades. So this is my group. You join it. Kindly join it. V50. So let me check on gold again. We see if our gold is if our Bitcoin is moving, but we are seeing ranging here. We are seeing range. We are seeing ranging. So our pair is still on range. BTC USD. Guys, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the stream. So guys, see you in the next stream tomorrow. See you in the next stream tomorrow. Let me save the layout. Guys, subscribe to the channel and like the stream. So guys, it's my time to go off now. See you in the next stream tomorrow, guys. See you in the next